will show you how to create a document, either using a template or from a blank document. First, you should access the Visio program. Like me, you may find this already on your taskbar at the bottom. If not, you can go across to the Ask Me Anything search bar on the left and type in simply the search term Visio. Visio should appear at the top as your best match, and you simply need to click here in order to open the program. Alternatively, you can click on the Windows menu on the far left of your screen. And when you open this menu, you should go to All Apps, which can be found just above. In the menu that appears, you can scroll down to V to find the program, or you can click on any one of the other letters in order to access the alphabetical menu. And here you can select V for Visio, and the program will appear at the top. If you right-click on this icon, you can choose to pin the Visio program either to your Start menu, in which case it will appear here, or to the taskbar, in which case it will now appear at the bottom. In my case, I've already pinned the program to both these locations, so I have the option to unpin them. I'm going to go back now by clicking Elsewhere, and then click on Visio 2016 in order to open it. Once Visio loads, you'll see that you are taken to your home page. On the left of this home page, you have a list of recent documents which have been opened using Visio. On the right-hand side, you have a number of different templates which are available for you to start a new document. So you can start with a basic diagram, with a blank page, or with, for example, an organization chart, timeline, office layout, and so on. If you want to search through the templates to find a particular type of diagram you'd like to make, you can click at the top in the Search for Online Templates search bar in order to find a template which matches your needs. Here I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm going to click on Blank Drawing in order to open a new blank document. When I click on blank drawing, I'll be asked if I want to use metric units or US units, that is, imperial measurements such as inches, yards, and so on. In this case, I'm going to use metric units, so I should select this and then go to Create, and this will create my new page. I can open a document I previously had open at any point by going to my File menu and then going down to Open. Here I'll have the option either of opening a recent document, which I'll find in the middle of the page, or choosing another location, such as my OneDrive or the computer I'm currently using. I also have the option to add a place, which will allow me